Is yoga for everyone? No. But the fact that you are here is because yoga is for you. Why yoga is not for everyone? Because in order to do yoga, you need to have the desire, the inner call. If not, you won't do it. You can have a house in front of you with a big door, but you are the one that have to decide to cross the door. The same with yoga. Yoga is there. You can have a lot of videos on YouTube, you can have a lot of information everywhere, but you are the one that have to be interested in that in order to practice. To me, the yoga is to be connected with my body, with the present, just the way it is, with my breath, with my mind, to be available, to feel. You are right now in your body, you are in your home, you are feeling, you are experiencing some sensations that you already have. That is your reality. What are you gonna do with that? What is your feeling behind that sensation? I think that to me is a more important thing, because the sensation and the body are connected to emotions. So we are all the time experience different emotions according our body and according our mind. So the way you feel with your body is gonna affect the way you are feeling right now. It's gonna affect your emotions, how you feel. The more you are working with your body, the more you stretch your body, the more you feel your body, the faster the healing is gonna be. So right now you are feeling some sensations. According to the position you are, you're gonna experience different sensations. And these sensations can be stronger, that you can notice very easy, and they can be soft, that you have to be focused in order to notice. But no matter emotions, you are there, connected with this moment, connected with this time. Let's back to the important things. You are here. So that means that you are connected. You are connecting with yoga. Yoga is not about being flexible. Yoga is not about doing complicated things. It's just being there, present with your body, healing yourself. It's a tool to heal my body, to heal inside, to accept myself the way I am, and working on my healing process. Why? Just to be happy. The better I feel with myself, the more comfortable I am with my body, the less thoughts in my mind I have, the more happy I am. What more than being happy? That is yoga. It's a way to find happiness. In this channel, I am posting kriyas of Kundalini Yoga, sequence, meditations, all of them go to the same purpose, with the same goal: healing, domesticate the mind, to have less thought, to have less depression, anxiety, to reduce all the thoughts that make us feel sad. So I invite you to follow the videos, to do the classes. Remember, the door can be there, but you are the one that have to cross it. No matter in what situation you are right now, you can start with the first step. Just that. Start with the first practice. Feel your body. How do you feel with your body right now? How do you feel with your body when you do the practice? That's it. Don't judge it. Just continues. Tomorrow another day, another opportunity. Every day Every day is a new opportunity. Suddenly you will find yourself in a position completely different than the one you are right now. But that is not the important things, because in that moment you will feel that that position is just the way it is. Always can be better, always can be worse. But that doesn't matter. What matters is just being here, experiencing your body. We are so used to have the eyes open that we used to think that reality is just what we see. But for sure, the eyes are overvaluated. It's not the only sense that we have. What can you feel? What can you experience when you are with your eyes closed? If I want to put attention in my body, in my mind, I find that with the eyes closed it's much easier. And that eventually gonna allow me to do it every time. And that is yoga about. Yoga is not just the time you are on the mat, on the floor. Yoga is about life. It's a way to be connected with the thought, with the mind, with the body. Every time. With the eyes closed, with the eyes open. But in order to be in this stage, we need to practice. Everything requires practice. What I like the most about this is we can enjoy the practice, and actually is a way to enjoy life. No matter how you feel in the practice, you can be tired, you can be sweating, you can be even having pain in some moments. But your attitudes in the moments is gonna make the difference, and that's life. No matter what we are experiencing in life, no matter where we are, the way we feel about it's gonna make the difference. We can be in paradise and feeling like shit. We can be in the worst place. And if we're fine with ourselves, we can be good. We can be happy. And that is yoga about. Yoga is about training yourself in order to be happy without conditions.